Hello and welcome to my today's video. I want to give you important updates about expert advisors that I'm using in those days. But to tell you the truth, I am using those expert advisors since a while right now, and but those are new tests, new demo tests that I started to make just a few days ago this week. So I want to give you this important update. This is always the soft version of the training, but it has two kind of settings. This one is a new setting that I never tried before. It's called RSI. As you can see, the results are very good. The recommended starting balance is 3,000, and the important thing is usually it opens only one position, then it closes. It's not running all the time, and this is very interesting. But as you can see now, because it has very high starting size, so if you want to be less aggressive, even if it's still very good at the margin level, you can start with 0.10, for example, 0.05 if you want. Let's see how it behaves. I'm doing this test just to see how it works. Now, the other version, which is called crack, it is interesting because it is very interesting because it works a very soft way. The starting is 0.01. Oh, I made a mistake. The lot size and GBP/USD. I wasn't aware of it. Okay, let me check here. Okay, no problem. It's working good. Even with this kind of setting, it shouldn't have been this way. But I could also decide to close those positions with profit, make it start again. Yes, let me do this. So I will teach you how to do it. So we have a profit of 60 banana because okay. Oh, interesting. I could have left him work, but I want to do the right thing, and it should have worked with 0.01. In this case, it started to work with 0.10, which is a little bit more aggressive, even if much more profitable. Well, okay, so I wanted to show you the difference among the system of the other. Of course, much depends from the lot size that you used to start. So you could, for example, decide to use the start. What they recommend is $3,000, just one pair, and 0.01. So we have to be careful and trade safe. But there are also more aggressive traders who want to push a little bit more. So I wanted to show you one thing now. By the way, where is it? Okay, I understand this is an Italian chat. I usually do not show my client conversations, but of course, for privacy purpose, I hide the name. And so he tell me, assuming that he made $609 yesterday with this strategy, and his account is $2,000 more, $2,000 points. So we are talking about the real account, and we are talking about this one. Okay, this one, this robot, but he is trading with two pairs, so EURUSD and GBP/USD, which is a little bit more aggressive, but in live trade this way, even if I tell him to not do this. The other thing that I wanted to show you is from the other VPS. Okay, well, I need to close and restart the VPS. Just a second, sorry. You have to know one thing. The FBS VPS is incredible. It's the fastest VPS I ever used. This one, honestly, is another of all the VPS that I have to close and restart every time, because if not it freezes, so I have to be very patient with this. So I want to talk to you about the robot, the expert advisor, which is working only on Euro CHF, which is very amazing tool. This tool works only during the night hours, only in Euro CHF, only from 22 night Italian time till 5 in the morning. And I have to tell you that I like it so much. It works only on LTN accounts, SCN accounts. In this case, I'm working with XNET, which I found is a very good broker. Even if there are commissions, of course, because there is no spread on LCN accounts, I must say that I'm very satisfied with the results that I'm having, and I am amazed from the issue that this robot can be set in a way that increase its lots as the balance is going to grow. So it will be always much, and I like it so much. I will start with a real account as soon as possible. I'm just having a few issues with my documents, my EP documents, because my passport was expired and I'm doing it again in Italy, 20 days to make a new passport. Oh my god. So, but I will start as soon as possible. And we'll tell you more. I have another good robot which is for conservative traders, which works very kind. This is the today custom period, the today results, and it's on $1,000 account. And also I want to talk to you about the other robot that we are using since a lot of time, and it is very good for big accounts, such as, for example, $30,000, $50,000, $100,000, and you can have results like that. Those results are custom periods. For example, the last 3 days we had this kind of results, but for example last month, which means last 13 days, we are talking about February, only February, we had a profit of 49,858, which is amazing, guys. If there are traders, if there are investors which were looking for a good way to invest, very profitable way, I suggest you to use this kind of robot. It's very cheap, it's not expensive, so if you have the possibility to invest your money, please get in touch with me. I will tell you how to do this, because it's always goes lower than this, and it's important to have a good balance, but it's very profitable, very profitable. So I want to talk to you also about binary options. Okay, those are a few of the results of the strategy that I'm using. I have to tell you that I stopped trading in binary options 2-3 months ago, because I was tired to be in front of the chart the whole day waiting for good signals. Then the one who gave me more profitable trades was the 60-second indicator, the Russian one, but it requires a lot of time and to stay there from the chart, and so it wasn't easy for me, because I'm very involved in Forex right now, and this strategy actually requires only one trade per day, and it's making numbers that are amazing, guys. So I am so glad I started with this strategy, with binary option strategy. I invest always at the same time, all day, with the same pair, same direction, and I am free. So today was in a restaurant eating with my son, and we both have been able to trade, to open our app in our cellular and open our investment and gain So this is amazing. This is freedom to me. I don't know what do you think about it, but this is freedom to me. Okay, I thank you for your attention. See you in my next video, and bye for now.